Merry meet everybody, this is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath and I'm here with your weekly reading. I've already drawn the cards, let's see what's coming. Look who came over on Monday and Tuesday. It's the Nine of Cups. It's absolute and pure satisfaction. The cups are overflowing, are absolutely overflowing, and you are here to take the advantage of all the overflowing that's happening. Everything that you need to go forward, to become happy, to feel satisfied is all ready for you, and it is right here. All you need to know is that you can use it. Do not doubt yourself about it at all. Get up, use all the resources that you want to use because they're there for the taking. They're there for the taking and you have the right to use them. Just get up, pick up whatever you feel like picking on and start making the most of it. It's extremely important for you to go ahead and realize that you are abundant. You are abundant and there is a lot and a lot and a lot more than you can use around you. But be intelligent and use it right. Wednesday. It's Five of Cups. So all your resources didn't turn out to be as helpful as you had hoped. Some of them were not as helpful, but there is still a lot more there. Just a few of the resources didn't turn out the way you wanted them to turn out, but yet all the rest of them are there and you can still use them. Stop crying over spilled milk. Stop thinking of what did not work out. That's okay. That's okay because there's so much more. So just drop the things that did not work for you and go ahead and look after what really is working. If you feel like it, take a quiet day on Wednesday, take a day off because maybe you just need a little midweek recuperation. Just take yourself out of the whole rat race or the running around and just stay there. Enjoy yourself on the Wednesday. Thursday and Friday is a little more enjoyment. It's the Three of Cups. It's a lot of partying and a lot of partying within and without, because now after that self time on Wednesday you have realized that the rest of the resources are exactly what you needed and you can use them in the best way possible. It's time to celebrate this remembrance of how you want to use them, why you want to use them, when you want to use them, and everything about how and when and what and why and where, and about using them. Also, you need a little girly time. Thursday and Friday is time for a little celebration, for a little party time, a little a little girly time is all I can really think of. Girly time in the sense of just going out for a drink or going out to a spa or just taking time off with your beloved one. And men, be very sure to pamper your ladies. Something new is going to come up. It could be the announcement of a pregnancy, and a pregnancy does not only mean a baby pregnancy, it could also mean the fact that a new project has come up for you, and a very important project, because this is a project that is really going to take you somewhere, going to get you places, and it is going to up your game. So yes, it's a very cup-filled week. Emotions are running high. Be aware. The earth signs and the fire signs might want to be a little careful about this because the water signs are taking over completely and totally, and the emotions and the spirituality and the ability to feel is very strong. So people who are not good at feeling might just want to take a step back and say, okay, how can I join in the feeling game, or how can I just step back and not interfere with the people who are allowing themselves to feel. It's an extremely important point. Now, let's look at the angel card for the week. Ooh. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self-mask in this relationship. This relationship could be anything from a romantic relationship to a professional relationship to a different kind of personal relationship. It could be absolutely anything. What you need to remember is that you do not need to be the one who is doing the deception. Deceiving someone is not necessarily a very conscious effort. It sometimes is because we need self-defense. We need self-defense. And self-defense could be hiding something from someone, lying to someone because you need to manipulate the situation. But this could also be counted as deception. You have to be really careful to know that you do not give to others what you do not want them to give you. So the challenge this week with this card is to be honest with yourself and to find out if you really think deception is the way to go for you. And there's no judgment. If it is, it is. But it's a better option if it isn't. And if you stay away from it. This will also keep you aware of all the people around you. So, high alert, antennas up, and just look at how people are treating you, why they're treating you the way they are, and how you are treating people and why you're treating them the way you're treating them. At the end of the day, it's going to be an awesome, awesome week. So you have this great weekend. You have this great week, and I'll see you at the weekend. Have fun. Love you. Bye-bye.